Every year, millions of turkeys are bred through industrialized processes. Humans have optimized the production process to meet the increasing demand, with consumption potentially reaching up to 8 million tons annually. With a fully modernized breeding process, automated feeding and watering machines operate continuously, minimizing human involvement and optimizing resource usage. Are you curious about how farmers have managed to achieve this? If so, join me now as we explore the journey of turkey farming. Artificial insemination is the most common method used to increase turkey farming productivity. Artificial insemination is carried out 4 days a week, with each turkey being inseminated once per week. The staff performs insemination on approximately 500 to 600 turkeys per hour. The shaking or egg-turning mechanism mimics the natural behavior of a mother hen, helping to evenly distribute heat and humidity while preventing the embryo from sticking to the eggshell. After approximately 30 days in the incubator, these eggs will hatch into chicks. The chicks are fed through an automated feeding system, ensuring they consistently receive the necessary nutrients in a continuous and uniform manner. Chick feed is typically a pellet mix containing high levels of protein, vitamins, and minerals to support healthy growth and development. The turkey harvesting process is carried out efficiently with the support of modern transportation equipment, such as tractor trailers with metal cages. The turkey processing industry is becoming increasingly modernized thanks to the support of advanced equipment and technology. Each turkey is hung by its legs on a conveyor belt and passed through hot water, a process used to loosen the feathers. Following this, an automatic plucking machine efficiently removes the feathers quickly. In large-scale processing plants, each cutting machine is equipped with sensors and automatic blades, ensuring precise operation with a processing speed of 5,000 to 10,000 birds per hour. Parts such as the head, neck, and tail are also removed sequentially, streamlining the processing and ensuring a cleaner operation. Turkey is an iconic dish during Western holidays, especially for Thanksgiving in the United States and Canada, as well as during Christmas celebrations. Turkey has become an essential part of global cuisine, not only for its nutritional value, but also for its role in bringing people together during meals and celebrations. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to seeing you on the next adventures. For older coconut trees, farmers have to climb the tree directly to cut the coconuts. Each coconut tree produces 70 to 100 coconuts per year. To reduce the weight and space before transporting to the next locations, farmers manually remove the coconut shells, making it easier to transport. The fresh coconuts are carefully placed on the boat and sailed across the calm rivers. Millions of coconuts from various places are brought to the coconut collection points. This is where the coconuts temporarily rest before being transported to the processing factories. The coconut processing process in the factory involves several stages, combining manual labor. Initially, the coconuts are stripped of their outer shell using hammers or specialized manual tools. Afterward, the brown outer shell of the coconut is shaved or peeled off, ensuring that the coconut meat surface is clean. The coconut paste, after being ground, is transferred into 1,000-liter containers. This mixture is then fed into a centrifuge machine. The centrifuge processes the lighter coconut oil, which rises to the top and is separated from the water and other impurities. As a result, the extracted coconut oil has high purity, a clear color, and retains the natural fragrance of the coconut. Dried coconut meat is a highly versatile ingredient with various applications in food, cosmetics, and healthcare. The specialized drying oven, with an accurate temperature and humidity control system, helps manage the drying process and ensures the quality of the coconut meat. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, coconut can be utilized not only for its inner part, but also for its outer shell. What may seem like waste can actually be processed into a nutritious material for organic farming. Coconut is not only a valuable food source, but also provides many benefits for the environment and the economy. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.